Hi. It's actually started. Okay, cool. I've got it working. The download's working. It's awesome. Let me show you. Share my screen. So let's make a new project. Okay. Yes and no. Okay. Right. Right. So you can get to this tool by going to openelements.org or download it from GitHub. It's slash pair production demo. Okay. So I'm just going to get rid of the old variables. Now, so we've got, let's say, let's make it a download test. Oh, yeah, we have to call it download test, of course. There we go. Right, and I already published the element, so hopefully it's already listed here. So if I put it in here, zip. Now we've got the JS zip and zip downloader. The zip validator is for zip codes in America. And now if I give this some files, now usually this would be like dynamically generated, but in this case I'm just going to wrap make an object in the as an attribute. Let's call it test txt, and this is going to be its contents. Just remind me I've got a call to do. Great. Okay, hi people. And now, as you can see, it's come up with the download button, whereas when this wasn't a actually no button. As soon as it's got a file to make, it gives you a button, and you click it, and it now downloads. The thing I was missing was the utilities function from JavaScript. So there we go, there's our test.txt, and hello people. So that's awesome, and I've already implemented it in this. So now I've got a download button here, which, as you can see, you've got all these files which I used to copy and paste into text files and name them and everything, and then publish them to GitHub, and now I can do that whole process just by doing that. And there's my element that tests the download element. So if I extract this into my downloads folder, this would actually have to go in your components folder, and then you could run it from there. But as you can see, I've got a test directory, I've got the configuration for the web component testing, the actual element itself, its demo, and its about.json file with, just let us load a minute. With its dependencies, although this my Vim seems to be a bit weird, so I'm going to look at this through my command line. what do I call it? TEST. No, it's called download test. Let's say cat Bower. Yeah, there's something weird going on there. That needs fixing. Yeah, strange. Yeah. Anyway, so that needs to. I need to have a look at that. And but it was all working. I thought. Let's have a look at the other files and see what else, if there's anything else corrupt. Obviously, you know, I only just finished this, so put it up immediately. Let's have a look at see how the demo looks. So just cat means concatenate to screen, so you can pipe it to something else. But that looks right. You know, you got your demo test here, and therefore it's showing it. So let's have a look at download. Yeah, that looks right too. So it's just a corrupt Bower file that I need to debug. But you know, I'm really excited because it means that I don't have to do so much work. I mean, even if I just have to fix that one little problem, that's going to make my life making elements so much quicker. So the next thing is to, once I've got it like doing the Bower file correctly and everything, then I'm going to look at how to do React 2 elements and no, not React 2, Angular 2 elements and React elements and any other thing that has elements, and be able to switch between the 3 or 4 web component technologies so that you can make it in whatever way you like and sort of make a translator for all three. I'm thinking 3 things. I'm thinking Angular 2, React and Polymer would be really good to have those 3, be able to switch between them, and then if you've got an element that's in React and you want to change it to Polymer, or from Polymer to React, and you know, you can reuse the components because we do not repeat. That's it for my update today. Thanks, mate. Bye.